Ultamize. A lot of people treat Sunday like the emotional waiting room for Monday. The fun part's over. The freedom is ending. Now comes anxiety, unfinished tasks, and the mental dread about the week ahead. But I think one of the most useful mindset shifts is this: Sunday should not merely be the end of the weekend, it should become a reset point, a transition point, a preparation point for emotional recovery, energy, and momentum. Now, to be clear, I'm not talking about turning Sunday into a giant productivity marathon. That completely misses the point. I'm talking about reducing unnecessary chaos before Monday begins. Because many people unknowingly create huge amounts of avoidable Monday stress through disorganization, overstimulation, poor sleep habits, and lack of preparation Sunday evening. One thing I've noticed personally is that my Mondays feel dramatically different depending on how intentionally I handle Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening. If Sunday becomes constant screen time, late night streaming, work anxiety, random errands, sleep disruption, and endless mental clutter, well, yeah, Monday often starts feeling emotionally heavy before the day even begins. But when Sunday contains movement, outdoor time, social connection, for me, swimming and water sports, and reasonable preparation and consistent sleep timing, the entire emotional tone of Monday changes. That's one reason I often enjoy recreational movement Sunday mornings and afternoons. I like to swim. I like to tread water. I like other water sports. It gives me a sense of being active. And because active recreation creates energy, momentum, and emotional clarity in a way passive screen consumption just doesn't. That's why I feel better. And this is very important. One of the goals of a Sunday reset is reducing cognitive overload. Your brain shouldn't feel like 17 browser tabs fighting for survival by 10 o'clock on Sunday night. Simple preparation helps. Now, if you have clothing requirements, my clothing requirements are pretty simple since I do work from home. But if you have to get your clothes ready, do it. If you want to review your calendar, do it. Basic planning should be handled, a little organization, nothing extreme, just enough structure to reduce unnecessary Monday chaos. And perhaps most important, protect your sleep rhythm. This matters enormously. Many adults unknowingly create what's basically self induced jet lag every weekend, staying up dramatically late. I know you've heard me harp on it, but it really is important. This idea that you can just stay up a lot later Friday and Saturday night, sleep irregularly, and then expect Monday morning to feel normal. Maybe you could get away with that when you're 21. Chances are you can't today. Sleep researchers repeatedly warn that major inconsistency in sleep timing can disrupt mood, focus, energy, and emotional regulation, even when you're in the same time zone, the same city, the same bed. You can absolutely enjoy weekends while still protecting sleep consistency. In fact, protecting sleep may be one of the most underrated forms of weekend recovery there is. One of the core ideas in this entire series is that restoration isn't accidental. You often have to design it intentionally. And Sunday matters because it's the bridge between recovery and reentry into normal life or the normal weekday life. A good Sunday reset doesn't merely prepare you to work again, it helps you return to Monday feeling more emotionally grounded, more physically restored, and more mentally clear than you did Friday afternoon.